Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am sharing one of the Python problem with solution. Our problem is write a Python program to check if a given string is palindromic or not. Palindromic means given whatever radius string or characters forward and backward is the same. So example characters like mom, radar is also called as palindromic, palindromic strings. So let's start our solution. So I use today VS Code editor. Okay, guys. Today I am using the functions method. I create one of the function for it. I just mentioned yes. Secret -1. And what happened? Sketch it. Okay, guys. So okay, return. Given number is palindromic. Then string s equal to the s. This is if write a in this method write a double dot -1, the given string is reversing. Some I command just command it. Guys, sorry guys. str. I think str is a keyword. You don't want to use keywords. One. Welcome. See this print str1 double dot -1. It is the reverse of that string. What happened? So this. Sorry guys. See this EMOCLUD. So I have used it in this place in this concept. So I remove that. Okay. Given string is palindrome. So in this place, I using the condition. If secret is else return not palindrome. String. I create one variable string that mom. In this place, I put in print palindrome string. So I have run it. See this given string is palindrome. Suppose I change this string 1. Send string, it will return not a palindrome. Okay, guys, not a palindrome. Suppose I send the small t. In this time, it will return not a palindrome because Python is a case sensitive. In this place, what I will do? In this place, I simply do dot lower. Actually, I am convert all the characters in lowercase. See this given string is palindrome. So in this place, I apply another one, radar. So you know that lower function is to all the characters are lowercase. So this given string is palindrome. I have sent it. It will return not a following. Guys, I think this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and then share with your friends. Thank you. Bye. See you later.